What are we doing?
Not my proudest moment, to be honest.
So,
Yeah.
Lucas, what happened last night, huh?
Yeah, Lubas. Yeah,
Let's
Lubas.
not
What
talk
happened
about-
last night?
Let's not talk that on stream.
Alright. Are we live though?
We are live, we're live. And,
Oh. But
Are
okay,
you
can we...
even,
Was it good though?
It was great. Bro,
Yeah.
I look like so... You have pants on right now.
Hmm. Any reason for this?
I just woke up.
Alright.
no
Yeah,
way you
Lubas,
woke
tell the viewers, they need to know.
No.
And you're still
Uh,
so
no, but
sleepy.
I was like... I fucked up my sleep schedule.
Almost.
And now I'm
Almost.
like... I need to fix my shit. And I was like, it's 1 a.m. Good morning, penguin operator. I was like, well, time to fix
No
my
way.
shit, I guess.
How is everyone awake at this time though?
Well, it's I'm
It's actually a miracle that I'm still awake, bro. Like, I don't even know how.
Yeah, my sleep schedule is gonna be so cooked this week from this.
Why? Pee pee poo poo. What's up? What's up?
So what are we doing today, Lucas?
Let's figure that out.
Yeah.
I'm so fucked. I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked.
Bro, you can't tell me that you're actually in a state to actually program stuff. Like, I was so exhausted today after training. Like, I couldn't even program stuff.
It's fine. It's fine. We'll fix it. We'll get it to work. Let's see, where are we at right now? Usually, it's easy to me for me to just keep on working every day because I kind of like just remember that.
Yeah, I work every day, bro. Yesterday be like...
Yeah, but now I don't remember where was I yesterday.
Yeah, this is what happens when you're not locked in, bro. This is what happens when you get distracted.
Okay, we want to... What I wanted to... I need to fix that memory leak. That's the first thing I need to do. But what I want to do is to fix the... that I also need to fix, but what I want to fix is that when we walk, we will be able to walk on the planets. That's what I would like to do.
Så kollision.
Yeah.
Bro, my phone is so cooked.
Like
the display.
Probably never.
I said the display is so, like, because it fell down like 3 months ago.
Alright.
And so, like, a quarter of the display just is straight black. Then there's like a white line in full whiteness. And then when I actually like put out the screen, it isn't really out, but like a greenish tone. And everything is like, every color is like kind of inverted. And it's like with CT, like with this old monitor stripes. It's so cooked.
Rather. Bro got a phone from TeamU at this point.
Yes.
Is it a Samsung or?
Yeah, like it's actually a good phone, but like it's a little bit old.
Yeah.
And it fell down.
Fell off?
And as we know, there's nobody that can survive fall damage.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Except you have like a secondary ability that like lets you dash, you know, but one doesn't have that. Probably some engineer type shit character.
What am I trying to do here, right?
Me and Damer are playing CS right now, and I'm kind of locked in, not gonna lie.
That's fine.
Cooking.
It's when you're
Are you
not
gonna
locked
become an
in is when you're
e-sport
doing the
lab?
best.
Yes. I say I'm locked in and then I die instantly. But I have like the most kills.
Probably never. Bro, how is planters ever burn my GPU then? Oh wait, did I already answer? Bro, I'm cooked.
I already thought that.
Bro, on a Bro wanna program in this state.
For real.
Bro, I missed
Bro.
already
Just
one
let's play
stream.
around Super Tax card, okay?
Yeah, super Daxar, bro.
Bro, I
Yes.
missed one stream.
Mac.
I'm not missing another one. Let's not.
We should
Actually,
play
bro,
Mac.
Lucas, I already gave up actually on this stream. It's actually insane.
You what?
Like I gave up. I went to bed and thought, damn, Lucas skipped 2 days in a row. And then I see this ping.
Well, I already skipped 2 days actually, but
No,
this
you
one-
didn't. Not for me.
Ah.
Yeah, also not
Because
for me.
time zone. Time zone, bro.
Oh, right. That's why you said a 1 a.m. stream.
Yeah. Lucas lives in another world.
Yeah.
Imagine
Yeah,
living
imagine,
in
bro, you have
yesterday.
a different time.
For real.
Gay butt sex?
But
Exactly.
I didn't start.
Yeah, I remember my first time.
What the fuck?
What?
Planet
Yeah, me too, bro. Me
Yeah,
too.
same.
Three. Did I put it in the right?
Oh, wait, guys. Be right back.
Right.
Oh, I put it in the wrong spot. That's why. I was like, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah, that's usually what I say too.
Let's see. I didn't start the server again. I close the server every time, and I'm like, why is the server not running? I'm just super cooked.
Yes.
I'm not super text card. I'm super cook.
You're super cook cart. Cook cart. You're
Yes,
super cook
yes,
cart.
I'm so cooked, bro.
Yes.
There are 2 memory leaks gone. Let's see. Why am I getting this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know why I'm getting that one. It's in the initialization of the planet when the client receives to create the planet. So we have to go to network manager and let's see. We get a spawn planet. Because here I do generation of the planet, and the generation of the planet is the same for both server and client, so it just generate pure vertices.
Not impure vertices, you mean?
Vertices are not pure.
Peer-to-peer vertices.
I guess I could actually make them more complicated.
Lubas, compress them. You know HTTP compress?
I have no fucking idea, but sure.
Yeah, bro, you can use compression algorithms to send them over the network more efficiently.
No, but I do have for these ones. Ah, but then I initialized the capacity, so I need to do it for. Why not just do the third unit planet? Do I have that in this thing? I don't think I do. I should really rethink this one, but I'm usually just.
Jesus Christ.
Be careful not to swear now. I do have a unit. I'm just gonna call that one instead.
Did bro call Jesus Christ a swear word in the Big 26?
This guy is unacceptable.
Bro, praise to Benjamin Allah.
I don't know why I'm not getting any LSP over there. No, I already was in bed. I just woke up.
Oh, yeah, well. Well, just say that you're Canadian, okay? Then
Yeah, for real.
I'm Damon. What?
You're Damon.
I'm a Damon.
Damon, I've been wondering, can you speak French?
Of course you can.
Yeah, then. Damon.
Say C.
Damon.
Nobody
Speak
really
French.
French humanity joined.
It's Spanish. I always intentionally mess up French and Spanish. So when somebody says tell me to say yes in French, I say si, and
Oui.
no. We is French, okay? So we have to say si.
Yeah, I know.
Spell we.
We.
That's
Spelia Counter Strike.
Spell we, Lucas.
We are.
No, we.
We?
Damn, your AK
The
sucks.
word for yes
Tried using it.
in the French language.
I actually have no idea how to spell that shit. Though.
It's O-U-I.
Oi.
Oui.
Oi. Wait. Let me. Okay, so now let's start to make the actual planet walk work. This is gonna be. It's gonna be so fucking cooked. It's gonna be cooked as fuck, bro. I want to see if I. Oh fuck! It's gonna be so cooked. It's gonna be fucked. I'm gonna fuck this up. So actually, what we're gonna do first of all, is that we're gonna add this. Git add undersetics leaks. Wood. Oh my god. Leaks. And then.
Jesus Christ. 20 kills, Harold.
Yeah, 20 kills. I miss cooking. Anyways, I'm gonna stop playing CS now, so yeah.
You're gonna leave? Or just.
Yep, I'm gonna do CS.
Yeah, see you later, Harold.
See ya. It was something.
See you before, Harold.
Anyways, back to the stream.
Oh yeah. Where are we? Okay, so I'm
He was
trying...
cooking, he was cooking.
Yeah, it's basically this we need to do. Okay. Now we have push, so I can git stash if something just fucks up. I'm pretty sure though. There's actually a few things we could do now. Is that first of all, I think. Let's see.
You think so? Huh?
This whole thing can be moved to the another place, maybe. But actually, wait, I do have to load over here. I don't know, man. I'm just... Anyways, what we need to take care of now is that in player movement, here, or player input.
Lucas, can you stream on Discord?
I don't fuck, man. I'm so bad. I don't even remember to do that.
What is Discord?
What is? Who are you?
Where am I?
I forgot the music. You guys, this stream. Well, I guess I can't put music so you can hear it, but
I was starting programming C++ again.
Oh shit!
Like in the good old times.
Good old days. There, the music is on, boys. Enjoy. I'm not putting on music. I'm getting cooked. So, but I will let you guys hear it at least. So, let's see. Where's my HyperX here? So I'm not gonna hear the Spotify audio. I'm gonna take that off. But you guys will still hear the beautiful music. Okay. Because right now, what we have to do is that we can start the server. There's no music? Oh, there is no music. There should be music.
Can you hear the music?
No, they cannot. Let's see. Where do we have the stream? Spotify. It goes.
Whoa, Lucas is streaming?
Yeah,
Okay.
say all the bad words now.
1 a.m. stream. Dude, it's
Wait,
like
why?
3 in the afternoon.
Wait,
Yeah,
Nah, that's what
what
Lucas went to sleep.
wait,
That's what Lucas thinks.
wait, why the hell? Let me do this. Okay. There should be audio on the stream though. It says to me at least that there is. Have I removed it from the? Let's see. It all should be there. There should be audio on the stream. I think they're pranking my ass right now. Okay, 20 kills, Harold. Let's see. Open this thing, Jesus Christ.
20 kills.
There is audio. I don't know what you're on about. He's just rage bait. Bro, I'm cooked already. Why are you doing this to me?
Oh, Lucas, streaming Discord.
I'm streaming. Stop this shit. It's bullshit.
Wait, when do we add RTS to Planetary Sigma?
But,
Yeah.
bro, my brain is cooked.
Probably
now.
never.
Will you add RTX? Ray tracing?
No.
Yeah.
But-
1 a.m. stream? Bro, it's like 3 in the afternoon. What are you doing?
That's great.
What is the time now?
Bro, there's no audio.
Oh my god.
For me,
Can you hear the music?
it's 0. It's midnight.
It's midnight.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I started in yeah.
Started at 10 before midnight.
Yeah.
In the normal German time.
Yes, in the
That we all
German
like.
time, exactly.
Yes.
German time.
Not Swedish time, German time.
No, German time.
Sub-Saharan Africa time.
Wait, what does AFAIK mean? A fike.
Fuck.
F. I don't know.
Bro, you're more quick than me.
Bro, like you just slept, bro. Like you should be all energy. Like like the last time I slept is like 10 hours ago.
On God, on
Well,
stop.
I've only been awake. Damn.
Like bro just woke up, bro. You should be. Oh yeah, bro. Let's go to the gym. Nah.
Yeah, sure. But it's,
What are you on?
as far as I know, from your profile links, you use music from YouTube, right? Why not place some other one? I'm using one from my friend's YouTube channel, or I'm using my friend's stuff. Let's see. It's yeah, Winded. This is my friend's. Wow. Okay, I'm not opening that though, but it's my friend's music that I'm using. It's pretty good. Alright. Let's see the plan. The plan is to be able to walk on a planet. I think what I need to do is first of all disable gravity, because if I do have gravity on, this is gonna be hella hard to understand what the fuck is going on. And let's see. And we're gonna have to use 2 clients for this, otherwise it's gonna be impossible to know if the rotation is accurate. You just run on port 69.424 better. Oh, that's a pretty smart idea actually. Okay. No, some streamers on Twitch use music for animes like etc. I don't know about the copyright though, so I don't know if I can do that.
You don't know about it?
Yeah, I don't know about the copyright.
Is that a clipboard reference?
Oh my, what's a
Okay.
clipboard? Oh my god, guys, come on, let's focus on what the fuck.
Go.
guys.
Lubas, go to coding,
No, not now.
the channel.
Okay.
Yes, do it. It's free
Ah.
Yeah, nah,
content.
bro. Harold, he's been away for so long, you know. He doesn't know the new clipboard features, and yes.
Well, they're not in yet, but I'm
What?
trying to get them to work.
There's the coding channel. There's the coding channel. Okay. What?
Yeah, I'm trying to add like drag and drop, you know, like with files.
The world if the
and-
clipboard was
yeah.
just a file. That's crazy, bro. What is the clipboard then?
Yes.
It's not is it just like a memory region or what is it?
No, I'll tell you what it is.
It's a
what it
graphic
is.
card. Graphic card.
I'll tell you how you access it on Wayland. I'm very happy to. Okay, so first of all, you have to listen to some garbage, right? And in that listener, you can get a. It's hard to explain even. Yeah, I barely know myself. It's like 15 steps of garbage, which includes like protocol. Like you have to like ask for mime types, you know, like
Yeah.
mail shit.
They actually have
Yeah.
I guess, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't even know how it works myself.
It would make sense if
Yeah.
you stored it in the actual file.
Well, no, that's not really how it does it.
Alright.
Well, on Wayland, it gives you like a file descriptor, but I think it's just to some shared memory, really. Yeah. But that's after like doing 20 different steps. I still haven't gotten to like reading any clipboards. I've only like been able to set it to hello world. Yeah. You can say I'm kind
I
of
need
cooked.
sleep. For humanity, I also need sleep. I can't anymore.
Go to sleep.
Like I already was going to sleep, and then this ping came.
Go to sleep.
Okay, guys, what should I eat? It's between
Food.
eggs,
Food,
toast, cereal,
bro. Cereal.
chocolate, hot chocolate,
Chocolate.
like,
That sounds very fire, bro. Let's see.
or snow.
Snow.
No, mother.
Eat snow.
I think
Just do it.
Yeah, nah, but we don't have any snow here.
Yeah, same, bro. It's spring.
Yeah, it's so fucking warm.
How warm is it for you?
Today was 17 degrees.
Yeah, like about the same here. I can actually
Like
check. What is it right now?
like today the entire time I was outside in shorts and t-shirt.
I was outside for like 2 minutes today, bro. Anyways, let's set the temperature today. Like right now. What is it?
Okay, right now I was.
8 degrees.
For me it is 11. Damn.
Yeah, but it's 11.
Yeah, that's cooked for 11.
6, 7.
Where's my
6,
damn
7.
LSP? Holy shit.
Like 9,
6, 7.
2, 3.
Did someone say 420?
Hmm.
My LSP is cooked, bro. I'm not getting shit again.
Yeah, I know you're cooked.
Right, are you using the new release Zig LSP version?
I don't know, man. Well, no, I don't.
016 released.
I don't have the
You
stable.
know, the day you were gone,
Bro.
actually like Zig 017 released.
Yeah,
But,
bro, you
like,
missed so much. Like you were gone for like a day, bro. Yeah, like you got distracted.
Yeah.
Now everything happened, bro. Like GTA 6 released and
Yeah.
you know
Also went to
Roblox
the
2.
moon.
Yeah,
No
exactly.
way, bro.
Yeah, Elon Musk started to colonize Mars, you know.
Shit, bro. I
Yeah,
missed
damn.
everything.
Yeah.
C++ has now actually support for
For like SIG inside of it.
Can you open
Yeah,
files
embedded SIG. In C++, yeah, you can.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
What am I trying to find? Am I trying to find the root? And I wanna go to. I don't know why. Why is when I speak just cooked? It's fucked. It's sad. And I can't even do this. I'm joking.
But yeah, now
you're shocking.
are you using the new LSP?
You are? What the fuck? What's going on?
Lucas ain't using anything.
No, I'm good. I'm just cooked, bro.
Yeah, GG.
I went to the wrong place. I wanted to go to NumC, and I can't. It can't open NumC for me. I'm just super cooked. What? Okay, that's okay. We'll just do a. I just have to do this now. And
Oh no! Like vibe coding when you're as like sleepy is crazy. It's like driving when you're drunk, you know. It's like.
It is. But
Nobody drives
Yeah.
while
We're
drunk.
just gonna fix a config file. It's not about the actual program. So.
Yeah, that's why you're not vibe coding when you're sleepy.
What? You put my satellites.json, I think the default says that, right? Yeah. JSON.
Jason.
Jason.
Yeah, bro, have you heard about the Jason meme?
Bro, Harold, you don't know what like, but you know Jason, like a friend of mine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, you know what he did?
No.
Like, we were on bikes and there was a like stoplight.
Yeah.
And like, you know, like how the bike way is like next, like on the street, but like separate from the cars.
Yeah.
And we were like next to a car, and he thought, yeah, damn, I will just open the door of the car for fun. When he opened the door car, while we standing
trolling.
at the like red light.
Bro is
and
trolling.
they were so pissed. And I was like, bro, why did you do that? Yeah,
He's just trolling.
Yeah.
Yeah, his inner thoughts got him.
Yes.
He let them escape. Last time I did that, it didn't go very well. I don't even know when that was though. So
still nothing.
What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to
Lucas?
get my LSP to work.
Oh, but when you get your LSP to work?
Never.
Never. Oh, can I just...
Oh, my screen is so cooked. I wish I could send it to you guys. But it's... yeah.
Just take a picture, bro,
Yeah, right.
with your phone.
Wait, can a Nintendo Switch do pictures?
That's a good question.
Because Nintendo 3DS. Wait, actually,
Well,
no,
that's
I'm
in
actually
the
not
good
sure
old
now.
days when they added funny features.
I'm trying to do... I'm taking the route here. Transform 3D. What if I go to... This is the wrong one. I am on the... No, I'm on the wrong one. Let's see. Yeah, now it's... What? What's it trying? Why would it enunciate direct dependency instead of recommended? No! Let's see, because I do have a forward and I have a right and up, so I could probably just do that up. And it will return a... like 3 up.
Guys, can we maybe just burn every coordinate system ever made and make one
Yes.
that everyone uses?
Yes, for real.
I have to do up 2 because I can't do 2. That's crazy.
Lucas, are you using right-hand or left-handed coordinate system?
Vulkan.
Right-handed.
Yeah, but you can use every coordinate system in Vulkan. It's just funky. Like,
Well.
but you don't actually, like, in your matrix, like, swap y, right? So that, like, y is up, like, positive y is up.
Oh, no, I don't see any LSPs because I haven't said what this is. Can I still do system, world, provenance, transfer? Does that even help? I could transform, but no, it doesn't. But if I do this, because I know it's from MC. Okay, MC doesn't come in. That's great. What's prevent 5 root of 1? Ah. Let's see, inset
Lucas, why do you render oranges?
oranges.
Yeah, your planet looks like an orange.
Oh, it's
Like when
changing
it's
color.
orange.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Now with the up, I should be able to. Should I be able to do? I need to get forward vector as well.
Why is there an up to function?
Because I called it up to by accident.
Oh. Like you called it up to when you made the function, or
Yeah.
when you called it? When you made it.
Yeah, and
You didn't switch it out.
No, because it's in a fork of num-c, so I have to push it, and then I have to change it. So like I will do it. I will change it once I do have another update to the math library. So now it's just gonna be called up to. I'm too lazy for this. And now call it for what? Yes. Forward. And now I got the upward and forward, and then I would like to take. It is normalized, I hope. And I cannot see that. Let's see. It's normalized. So then I can do. Well, we can actually do it forward. I don't think I need it for anything else. We can do forward multiplied by 100. I should make a way to debug. We cannot do that. Debug to see where the 100 position is, because this is not that good, but it's okay. We'll say cont forward scale. Now we can go num-c, vec3 scale, and I think it was. See, wait, what the fuck is going on? Ah, okay, that's what it does. Okay. I guess dash it. This is.
Guys, I'm committing a crime right now, by the way.
No, don't do that, that's bad.
Good.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
What
I'm on Windows right now.
Oh god, okay, somebody ban this guy while we're at it.
For real.
System physics. Let's see, what do we have? Does LSP work now? Do an unset dot. Still nothing. I'm just. And then I want to scale by 100 forward. And then what you can do. Actually, I think I just need forward. I don't need that one. I would really like to debug draw a. I need some way to debug stuff. Oh shit. Nobody heard.
Lucas, what's your renderer's capabilities right now? Can you render like meshes and cubes or?
Yeah, meshes and cubes. You can put colors and UVs, but I haven't yet made it possible to upload any textures. So, but you can put colors and UVs if you want to. Let me think. I don't think I need the up vector at all. Wait, this should be. I just need to make sure that the thing itself is facing that way. So, do I have a look at something like that? How could I make it? If I get the transform dot. Oh my god! I nearly hit my damn LSP. No, don't do that. From the shared. Okay, we'll just go in here. And let's see. Or just inline forward is basically the look at. What? So what do we have in quaternions? Okay, we can do a lerp. Rotate from back to back, from Euler to Euler. How is the best with the
Holy shit. If I don't watch out, I might just start sleeping here on my chair.
What am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to go to... So I'm gonna...
And Harold, what are you up to? Clipboard?
I'm just gaming right now.
Okay. Would be surprised if you would do clipboard at like half a.m., half 1 a.m.
Yeah, nah, too late for me even. It sucks so much also because the file drag and dropping is gonna be so bad because all platforms provide different things. Like on Windows it's just file paths, on Linux it's just like file descriptors. Yeah.
Wait, I fucked something up.
I mean, if you can, just try to like generalize it, like kind of like if the descriptors contain a path, and just say, oh yeah, we'll take this path, and then we'll take the path from Windows, and boom, now you only have one path for every platform.
What? Like you can't get the path from a file descriptor, can you?
Probably you can, right? Okay. Well, can you? Nah, wait, you can't.
I don't think you can.
Well, actually, I was tripping. I was thinking about Vulkan descriptors and not
No.
file descriptors. Oh yeah, you can probably now. Okay, that's cooked. That's actually very cooked.
Yeah.
But wait, is it? Yeah.
I'm just gonna have a union basically, I think. So it's like a union, you know, with like files as paths and another one as descriptors, you know. But yeah. Sucks a little bit, I guess.
I'm not really sure even how to try this. We're gonna close that. I'm gonna close all of it because we need to do it real quick. Oops. Oh, whatever. I can do this. We can go here. We can close that. Close that. This one. And I think what I can do that. Well, let's be. But we can actually put them over here and we can go on. Also this one. Oops, I don't know that. What did I give it? I don't know. Because I need to figure out how do I got this. I got a forward vector. Now I just need to make sure, because I got this, I need to align the transform so it looks, but I don't have a lookout. So I wonder, should I add a lookout or what should I do? If so, how do I do it?
What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to make so that the transformation, the mesh, is aligned with the planet, but the camera can still be free.
We?
Yes.
I will take a camera for free.
Damn. System basics. The transform is always aligned with the flat. using quaternions. I don't know. Let's see what it can say. I think it probably will know a lot about it's thinking. Let's see what it says. This one is still trying to do something over here. Here's the approach for aligning the player's transform to the player's surface. The concept: the players must always point away from the planet's center at origin. Compute the desired up. Then build a pattern that players up must always have to first force it to be that. Math shortest. Give 2 unit vector A and B. Turns rotating A onto B is axis, normalize, cross, with A and B is quaternions. Okay. Angle A cosine dot product of A and B, and then few angle axis. Then transform rotation. Suggested addition after line 38, replacing incomplete transform. Desired up. Current up. Right. Else. 2 gotchas. The edge case D is above my player flipped. Cross parenthesis 0. Pick any perpendicular axis. You're also during You're also doing transform rotation camera at line player input that will overwrite the alignment you want to the camera to be a child of the aligned body transform. Or only copy the camera yaw around the local up.
Holy moly.
Do you want me to
My
also
phone
fix...
just... Damn.
Let's see. It looks like a... I do have a Git stash. I'm still like completely cooked with this, but let's see what it does. Picked up Zig this morning because of you guys. Ah, awesome! Loving these vids. Thank you. Sorry, today I'm a bit cooked, so it's mostly gonna be me just. Either way, I think it will be me looking at the AI because I have no idea how to do a quaternion alignment towards from the planet, like having the correct. Yeah, sorry. Whoa. I have no idea how to do that, so. Yeah, look at this, and then I guess there is also okay. 2 focused edits. Add alignment after the physics. Yeah, I'm just gonna accept it because I'm gonna convert everything if it doesn't work. Let's see.
I guess we'll go in 5 minutes.
You will go in 5
Are you going?
minutes. Yeah, where are you going? How dare you go?
I'm
Yeah,
going
free.
to sleep.
Where are you going,
Oh,
T-Chef?
Otherwise, I will sleep on my chair today.
Oh,
That's
that's
good.
okay. That's fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Saturday.
Let's see. Expected and identified found a line. Except found a line.
Lucas, what's the feature plan for Planetary Sigma?
Feature?
Yeah,
Kind of like
what
risk
feature?
of rain elements. You know, it's like where you kind of have one life. You go in, you kind of do what you got to do. You get some like roles, making your character kind of unique.
I don't think he has played Risk of Rain.
What's that? I don't know what's
I don't
done.
know,
Wait,
some
build
bad
accepted
game.
an identifier found a line.
When was the last time Lucas actually played a video game? Does he even know like
Like,
how video games are
yesterday.
even
Today or-
fun?
No, it was yesterday. Yesterday.
Yesterday, sure.
Nah,
Oh, you
today,
played
bro.
Muck?
Bro,
Oh,
bro,
No,
bro,
it was
Lucas, it
yesterday.
was today.
No, it was
What?
yesterday,
it was yesterday.
Oh,
technically.
fucking shit, bro. This is so rage bait. Nah. Bro, 30 minutes into the new day, yeah?
Oh, it
Yes.
gets any type, even though it's type of, so I guess I
Yeah.
will have to tell it what it's going to be. That's fucking crazy. Returns of X. Oh, damn it.
Lucas, you know how you get the views now? You gotta turn your stream into an ASMR stream and then change the title to Programming to Fall Asleep to. And then.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see.
But yeah, Lucas, what I wanted to ask, like, what's the feature plan? When is GLTF loading coming? When is lighting coming?
It's
When
coming
are shadows coming?
uh,
Failbox,
sometime.
textures,
Once.
PBR materials.
What? Fired up. Why is this found a line? It is like it doesn't really know what this is. It's because of my damn LSP. Okay, I don't know really. Let's see. What does this one done for conclusion of LSP? Found a real blockers. Let me do the syntax error breaks LSP resolution. It has an unfinished state. This is an in progress. We're going to guess the completion. The parse error prevents us analyzing the file, and its build runs can't fully resolve the module graph from the server, which cascades to an OSB import shared server. Misuse of extra package paths in server JSON. That option is meant for fully external packages, not modules built already declared. Shared is already a path, so it cascades through it. Drop this line. Shared add module only builds don't always attach to on calls. There is no compile artifact in the project. The less builder runner report modules, but associating files to the module is more reliable when something uses it. Simplest fix add a test step so that module okay. You delete the root JSON if your editor opens, but everything has one root. Set as walks up from the. I wonder what is going on over here now. Okay, but this one is actually accurate now. That's fantastic. And recommend fix first. No server build. Remove the add a test. You can do it. You can do it. I'm rooting for it. In the meantime, I'm gonna fix this thing. Line. It seems like I'm not sure. Well, I cannot get the LSP, so I have no idea what this is providing me with. But I know that this is a quaternion, and I normalize it, and then I do this, and that should also return a quaternion. Yeah, but we cannot know that because fuck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a. Oh, I cannot get that information either. Oh, this is so funny. Oh my god, it's great. Fuck me. Whatever. We're gonna go in here, and we're gonna take, okay. Do that. And then we're gonna go to quaternions here, Hamiltonian. It's basically the same thing that we do over here that's gonna be done. What?
Alright, guys, I think I will dip now.
Alright, good night.
Alright. Good night.
Yes, good luck with the project. Don't fall asleep, guys.
Yeah, that's scary.
Oh.
Good night.
Yeah,
I
good
will fall
night.
asleep.
Night. Damn.
And wait, this one is gonna wait. No, Vec. Why would it be a Vec? What the fuck is going on over here? Because if I normalize a Vec, that's gonna take in a vector, not a. On test step registered in shared extra. Still needs from you fixed server physics dangling transform line. Once you just parses restart ZLS and share. What? Still needs from you. Fix system physics 386. What the fuck's 386? What the hell is going on? I cannot know because this one is wrong, I know. But I cannot get the LSP, so I cannot figure out why it's wrong. Let's do this. What's that? Still no LSP. See, no LSP. Share. It's really hard to like trying to do anything when you don't have that. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do now. Let's see. I have to actually read in the source to figure out this. Okay, we can go in here and then we can check that we have this, and we can see also that vectors normalizing here is gonna take in a. It's gonna take in a vector, and I'm trying to pass, or basically and trying to pass a. I don't know why I have this, but I'm trying to pass in a position that is turning into a vector transform. That's just wrong. Are these supposed to be vectors or what? Because the transform is a form. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. No, how is the Zig still at noise? Is there a stable release on the? Where can I see stable release?
There is. Where you go to releases on GitHub. But yeah, it's out.
Alright, how do I usually always just use the branches. Can I get the stable release on a branch, or there is that 1 hour ago? I guess I will just take this one. Yeah. CD less. Actually. Is that the actual name? Okay, and then optimize like that. Optimize the equals release. Say. What did this one? Does not support with blah 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 blah. Build runner load because the relay doesn't match without a build runner. It still cannot enumerate modules. That's why it fix install release preferred match your Zig grab from. Okay, that's basically what's going on. Oh. Okay. Warning, that does not support. The computer has no build runner install. Also worth noting from the log 1 to the session had only server as the work folder 6 files. Faces server alone, the won't index files under shared, though it should still resolve symbols via absolute path from the build graph once build runner works. If you repo root or workspace see it sees both. Okay, let's see. And let's take a look at let's see. I'm still a bit. This is not going to do the thing it's supposed to do. Okay, so now we should have this. I should be able to do it. Let's see. Now if I go in here and go and set that. Oh, now it's that good. So good. Now we can probably start to figure out a lot of these things. Please tell me I can at least this. Oh, I can. And I can. And I can't find. Okay, there, boom. Everything works. Fantastic. Now we just need to get those rotations working. Whoa. I'm gonna grab some water. Be right back.
Right.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Welcome.
Thank you. No, we're not ending. I just had to get some water. Okay, so where was I? I was still trying to convince or ask how this thing got to this conclusion. I don't know what to do. Let's see here. And we're gonna. Hopefully, we don't have to touch anything in here anymore. But we're gonna see. I mean, I could also just normalize. Why just do this? Why not just do this? I could just go transform that. Whatever. It doesn't understand what it is. That's the problem. Unknown type. Yeah. We're gonna say that it's a pointer to CAMC transform 2D, no 3D. F32. That's what we're working with, so then it should be able to understand that if I say rotation, yes, dot normalize, that's the same thing. And then transform up, it's gonna be but this cannot work. This won't work. Because the up is not always this current up. Well, I guess It's fine. It's fine. Because it's the current up, this is the up that we want, so I guess it's fine. And then unknown type. How the fuck is that possible? Whatever. Let's see. Then it goes through here. Well, if you don't know what that the fuck, that's gonna be set vec 3 32. It's so hard to figure it out. The quaternion. If I did not see what. Oh wait, that's position. I'm the one who's being. Wait. It is. Desired up. Why would desired up be? Yeah, I'm the one being super stupid. It's okay. Transform that position, and then it's just gonna be. I'm just not following along. Normalize. Click that in, and it's gonna be the same. That's this thing. And let's see, something is very cooked here. I don't know why though. Anyways, it should now know that both of these are a vec 3 of f32. I don't know what the fuck is that. Let's try again. And set vec 3 32. And that, and I don't know this. Okay. Now we'll have a vec 3 on both of these. It should know that when we say this thing, it's gonna be an f32. That, and then what's gonna happen here is that it's still gonna have problems because angle axis is known and axis is an unknown type. Interesting. It's gonna be a set. And now you cannot tell me that it doesn't know it, because now it does know it. It's done. Run. Extracted identifier found a line. Wait, the problem is just this. I don't know what the fuck angle axis. It returns this. Oh, that's a quaternion. Why does it have to know? What? Okay, probably just enough. Ah. Take in that, and then it's gonna return this. What? Angle of type T, an axis, and it's just gonna return that. Why is this now wrong? Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Huh. It tells that it is a turn. I don't understand why it would say that. I'm so trying to be an Hamiltonian quaternion, and it still expects to get the identifier, but it gets it. Let's see, const what align. But I cannot. What is it changing it to? That's the same thing, you're just changing the name. Am I using a line somewhere else here? No? I don't know why don't we fix anything. But it does fix. That's crazy. Has no root vec 3. Right, that's true. Alright. Let's see. I prefer to have one that is just source code and basic. Yeah, but why did that work? Just change the name of the thing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one over here, and then we're gonna start another seed run. And let's see. Whoa, something funny happened here, but something funny happened there as well. Okay. Okay, but the transform is actually aligned. It's really good. Except for that it's always aligned, so my camera is a bit funky, but that's okay. Let's see. Yeah. So if I just keep on walking. Yeah. Ah, very nice. It is always aligned. And so is the camera. Whoa, where did I go? The camera is almost perfect. It's kind of fucked up. Let's see, I'm just gonna check it out. So I seem to be pretty consistent in the way of fucking up my camera. That's not good. Yeah, but the transform is always good. Okay, so now I just need to figure out if I start to walk here. The camera should always also be aligned, but right now it's not aligned on the surface. And that's funny. Let's see. We're gonna go into systems first of all. I'll check this out here. I do need to update so that the transform always puts it on the position of the camera. Camera should always take that. It should probably be a better system. This would have been better, but And then that's it, right? There's nothing more to it, really. Just update that. We don't really do anything here, and doesn't really change anything. No. Let's see, we can go to the thing over here, and we can do a slight change of let's see. Now we're gonna make sure that the up, yeah, this is the thing we have to change. Because the up always has to be this should actually not be, this should be the transform up, shouldn't it? We do not change the, where do we have any? Wait, okay, wait, maybe I fixed it actually, wait, or Reed fixed it, I'm done, because this, okay, so it's supposed to be the camera. Okay, wait, let's see, simple free camera, rotation mouse. No. Wait, is it all right? I'm so confused. No, is it? Wait, what? If I'm walking around this planet right now, okay, it looks all right, but I think here it is wrong. Let's see how wrong is it, because it's, yeah, this is definitely wrong. This is not aligned properly, because I should be looking with the same. Okay, let's see. Because let's see, we get planet up. Okay, that works. Let's see. Sensitivity, this is okay. Camera rotation. Pitch. You're around. Look direction stays time into surfaces, not that it does. What if I change instead of being transformed? Let's reset this one. Let's move out. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's it's not how I intended it to go at all. That's a funny movement. Damn, that's hilarious. Okay, no. Yeah, because we actually, but I think up can be transformed, but that's depends. Let's see if I change this to camera. Let's reset it again. Let's move. Okay, no, now I cannot. No, it's not doing the thing. Damn it, it's actually now. I thought it would be. It wasn't that. Okay, so let's keep camera on both, but it's supposed to align the camera view, so I'm not rotate. I need to rotate on the roll, I think, because right now this is fine if I'm right here, but if I go here, this is not fine. And wait. It is fine, but I have to do a lot of like manual changes myself, and I can get it to look fine, but like the problem is I can do this. That's something we don't want. We always want it to be aligned with the view of the planet, or aligned with the planet. So why is it not happening? Let's see. The camera rotation is calculated from here. But I think the only way to accomplish that is, do I need to involve roll? Like I can manually definitely get it to be looking like as if I was always aligned with the planet, but I don't do that right now. So, but it is really nice that it actually gets the other things working like that, because I could move out. Let's see, there it is. And now if I just move around the planet, the actual mesh is aligned with the planet all the time. So that's pretty fire. That's actually so freaking cool. Yee-hoo! I should probably though have enabled like you can press 1 or something or X to toggle between free camera and planet movement, but I don't know if you need that.
Bro, you should have it as R. Nah, F5 actually, because R is a reset. F5,
Yeah.
bro.
I think I'm switching art to record also, but we'll see. Actually,
Wait, what's the progress?
right now the mesh is aligned with the planet and almost the rotation. Not quite. Like, if I can put an odd rotation like this and walk downwards, and then you see it should be like the surface should always be at the feet. So if I want to do that, I have to like rotate manually my character in the right orientation before I do that.
Right.
Yeah, that's a bit of a Saki baka. And I don't know how to go about that. But yeah. Besides that, it's pretty good. Okay, wait. Okay, the rotation is all. It's so weird, the rotation right now. Holy shit. Yeah, I need a free camera movement because right now it feels so weird. Well. And then another thing is that we need to make sure that actually, I guess as long as yeah, it's not a problem. The rotation can be whatever. Because I can still look as long as wait. Oh, did I just flip my camera 180? Yeah, or 90. If I rotate around, it doesn't update the rotation. That's a bit of a yikes. So the rotation is right now always constant. Okay, that's a fix that I need to. Because right now the wait, is the forward always? No, it's no, good. But yeah, it doesn't say which way this player is looking right now. That's kind of bad. I mean, we need to know that. Factor is computed on once applied to the both transform and camera then cleanest ways to smooth the alignment out of the body loop into a new. That sounds a bit funny. But let's see. I'm so cooked. I'm just cooked. Oh my god. I mean, it's an interesting progress. I don't know, but it's I'm so unsure about the whole. Let's see. I need to think a little bit. Let's try to suggest now. So it's taking both the normalized rotation, sure. But if you let's draw this. This is the wrong color, but it's okay. We'll draw a new planet over here. There, and then let's not even worry about the rotation. Let's just worry about, well, we got this already, right? Now I just need to make sure that the camera also starts to look this way automatically, but it's kind of yikes. Because if I do this, then there will be not much control of, okay, I guess after you do the movements, which it's trying to do also. Let's try to reset this, then we'll move, and if I, okay, yeah. Now that is always, so yeah, you have to manually drag down, that's okay, that's I'm fine, but yeah, no, that's fine, that's actually pretty good. Okay, let's see. Now we just need to make sure that when we look around, wait, I don't know, is it fine? No, it was almost fine. Because now it's fine as long as I press W, but as soon as I press D, it's not fine. I think easiest to check this out if we go in here and we change the activated gravity, and I will just quickly reset. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. And this one is completely messed up because of its old configurations. We can reset this one also. Whoa, I meant to save that I reset this one. Is it still not saving that I have disabled gravity, or what's going on? Wait, what is going on actually? Holy shit. Okay, what happened? It was just working, I changed nothing and now everything broke. What? Let's see. Sorry, it was just fine. Let's reconnect the client. Whoa. Where is everything? Okay. No, wait, this one is fine. Even if I... Okay, let's apply gravity. I don't know what's up with that one. It's something is cooked. Let's see. So now there's gravity. Ah. Oh, that's okay. Don't know, this one is just cooked though. Oh wait, it's not. Okay, I don't know. There this one is. Well, I think it's fine. Is it fine? It is fine. We're just standing on a funny... Ah. It's a bit fast. When I move backwards, we're going out of the planet. But it's fine. Okay. So, now we're actually though walking kind of on this thing. Working amazing. Now we just need to make sure that when we rotate, the thing also rotates. And the way we do that is that in the end, when we process all of these inputs, camera rotation, we kind of have to apply a force to the physics system to apply to the to go towards the same rotation. Okay, I don't know how I do that with Jolt. I do have it in quaternions. Great. Now we got the camera rotation being all right. I would like make the What am I even sending? Hold on, what am I actually sending over? Let's check that out real quick. So, the network. Let's see, we do update camera, update transform here. But, yes, we are not actually sending the... Wait, we do send position and rotation. We do not update... Wait, what the fuck happened to this one? Now it's messed up. I don't get it. What? Huh. And now this one seems to be messed up. What? Okay, somehow I... That's so weird. I can actually mess that up somehow. How do I do that? I need to find what's the thing that does that. Yeah, that's fine. It's interesting, I have no idea why. Well, let's first take a look at the thingy of. Wait, actually, it's just because of. We're gonna check this first. I just say this to Beck. This is fine. But yeah, then it's taking the transform vector thingy. Here I'm just sending the new camera there, so everything else needs to be getting the rotation of that thing. I cannot. Can I? It cannot be that simple to just say that. Set velocity. No. I think we want to take this. Almost works. The rotation of the apply the transform. Need to do it This is getting a bit interesting now, because... Well, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I will figure it, because I kind of want the interpolation, like the rotation, to be... Well, it needs to be so every other client can receive, but now we're facing the problem with that what's the actual rotation then? If the camera rotates before the actual rotation, I guess it may look a bit weird. I have no idea how to do this in a good way. Maybe it finds something. It's a good way. It's really shiny. Oh, okay. That's right. I want to figure out in the meantime why. I have no idea where. Okay, let's see. This is not right. I don't know why. Even if I reset everything goes to hell. I probably when I reset I cannot just reset the transformation. I need to reset the camera as well. Yeah, wait, I do set the camera to default values. So it should have a full-on reset. Maybe I should do the transform also. Let's see. Use body set to integrates this over the next physics step, giving the smooth interpolation. The trick is converting the camera rotation minus body transfer delta into an angular velocity that closes the gap in one step. Delta. The rotation needed to go from current to target in world space. Flip Q delta if omega is less than 0, so we rotate the short way around. Don't we have this already? Maybe. Where player puts inside code for the current rotation node uses X. Yes. It's only the match full camera pitch if you only want yaw for the right camera pitch In the target, your only version of camera rotation instead put the camera forward onto the surface. Rotation from planet up. We still need to. Yeah, do we even need a camera component in that case? We could just literally just send. You don't need to be in the. No, but you need to be able to look up independently from. Yeah, because the collider still needs to be the actual. Or should it even be? If I make it always upright, wait. If the collider is always. Am I making this too complicated for me? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. No, but I want to be able to do a. Do I want to be able to look? Yeah, I would like to be able to look up. But then this is kind of like more the collider or whatever. So if this is the collider, it looks this way, but then you can still be in here with the camera and look up. That's kind of what I would like to have. And that means that this would have to be a separate thing, but then when you turn around and look this way, the collider will have to follow with that rotation. Or if I just keep it as one and the same, but then the physics system becomes really funny, because if you now look up, the whole mesh will also turn like this, and that would look kind of funny. So we don't want to do that. We do need them separate. A camera, but then we need still the mesh to follow the camera rotation, like kind of look the same way that the camera is looking. I haven't been live for 1.5 hours. I feel like 30 minutes live. That's crazy. Good night. Good night, Penguin Operator. Sleep well.
Sleep well indeed.
Yes. Okay. You want to tackle any of these? Direct versus to reverse mismatch on line 32. Identity in there's an existing mismatch at line. Transform to vec gives equity should be to vec reverse for jolt flag. Why would it? Very small. For to get rotation requires that jolt convention here is. Why? Set W as well. Convection, yes. Let's see. I'm actually gonna change this now to get transform, but look at this. Still, it's somehow, I don't understand, it should put everything back to 0, but I don't know, it seems to not do that. Whoa. I am, oh wait, but I'm not sending the, I'm actually sending over. Because I do send position and rotation, that's all I need. Scale is 0 length right now. And then I do send a command. Oh. But the position should be taken from that, so the rotation should also be camera rotation. And I do update the camera rotation to be a 0. All of this is just zeroed out. So nothing here should really do the behavior that it's really doing, right? And that's crazy. That's what I'm doing now. I have no idea where I'm at. Something funny is going on like this. Whatever. Let's see, no, they're different. You also use this confirmed online. Your Hamiltonian stores. No, it doesn't. Yeah. WA is what it is from. Oh, but it might be the 2-vector returns in the wait, hold on. 2-vector X, no, it returns X, Y, Z, W. What's it on about? You're right, I was reading the wrong NumC source. Let me check. Yeah, so the convention line first with blah 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 blah. I was looking at the different local checkout of NumC that had the older. Sorry, no. Session. Sure. Okay, so wait. No! Wrong idea. Rotate body camera. Yes. Jesus. I'm gonna quickly go in here and we're gonna restart the servers, check. It's something to do with. So now I just spawn in this one client over here. They do not even rotate it. Or what? Just. I have no idea. Let's start another one. Okay. Don't know. Let's see. So. Rotate body towards camera rotation via angular velocity jolt interpolates over. Let's see. Oh, there we are. And somehow I'm walking through the planet. Okay, this is fine. This is actually the behavior that I want. Somehow it sometimes just breaks if I go out and back. It didn't break this time. Added body will now rotate towards me. Okay, let's see. So, if I go to physics, there it is. Let's see. Everything still seems to. Why did I jump there for a moment? Okay, yeah, I guess backward movements is always a little bit because of the movements. Or yeah, I should probably not be able to do that. But yeah, it's okay. Let's see, let's start on another planet then. I don't like how it's persistent there. Okay, there we are. So that's why it's weird. Okay. Where is the other planet? I swear I saw it. I saw it for a moment. Where's the other planet? There it is. Okay, so now update on the rotation. Let's see, what did it do? It took this and then it went in here, body, ID, and then but it also is isn't this already an FTP? Yeah. We need actually to make it faster. The other time is though very info. So well, there's some rotation going on, but it's not the accurate rotation. That is something else. Where is it? There it is. Okay, let's see. Like, look at the rotation. It's moving that thing, not and I can actually see myself moving. That's not what I wanted. What the fuck? And then we can just, for funny, you can just see this to be a whole lot more fun as it is. The rotation is not doing the thing that it's supposed to do. I'm actually not
The rotating ain't rotating.
Yeah. Now I wonder. Rotation change. It's weird because the rotation has used to work before, and I would think that it's also fine right now. Because it does get the update transform, and then it says from vector the update transform, which it should be receiving also from here. When we send the transform of the thing, so it should be updating the transform of the position. Unless if it doesn't do it, then yeah, okay, obviously it's not gonna do it. That's the physics. Let's check it out. Okay. We're gonna do it at the end over here. If it says a collider ID. STD, debug, no, it's debug. Is your game under some ISD or is it the third impact? What? ISD? Independent Schools District? What?
No.
Wait, what? What do you, what? No, what? I just do it. There's no no school involved in this project or anything like that. I don't know what, or I don't know if that's the actual question. What does it mean? What does your question mean? Rotation. And or we can say rotation. And then we're gonna say any. And then we're gonna provide the transform that rotation. And we're gonna see, does it even change? There is no print. Great. There we have rotations. We have for 3 entities because 3 entities are here. 1 entity seems to be pretty. Yeah. This one changes the which one? Whoa. I think I need to get rid of those input. Bits. What am I saying? I'm saying expand. Ah. It's process. I didn't care about it. We still print the memories, but it's fine. Is your game under some LSD? Oh, password ISD, bro. Ah, no, it's just
Lucas
me.
is on the list.
I'm using just some funny shader stuff, mess around with shit. Don't worry about it. No, it's not LSD. It's time to put some monospace fonts everywhere. Yes. Hi, dude. Is this Mac engine?
LSD? We
No.
dropping some acid?
No. This is not Mac engine. This is completely my own thing. Just messing around with raw UDPs and this. I don't know. Harold didn't like the Mac engine, so we didn't go with it. We're making our own thing. One is.
I remember
not
the first time I tried LSD.
Oh shit.
Okay. So, what do you mean with the Mac engine?
They asked if this is the Mac engine. Okay, so this one
You mean
changes the
Mac?
second.
Oh, Mac. Okay. Yeah, no, that shit sucks.
Okay, so this one changed, and this one changes the third entity there. So I don't know. The first one is just cooked, but we don't care about the first one. And the third impact is from Evangelion anime series. Oh, my friend has suggested me to watch Evangelion, or how you pronounce that. I haven't watched it yet, but I'm going to sometime, probably. Sometime. I don't know yet. I probably will. I will. But yeah, we do get the rotations. Or we do send. We at least have them. Do we receive them? Have to check that now. When we go in here, we do get the update transform. And let's see. So let's print out the rotation also on the client. Oh god. Okay. So if I rotate this one, it does receive that this one is being rotated. Okay, so we do receive everything. We do send the rotation and we do receive the right rotation back. But yet somehow...
I don't need one of those.
Okay, I think... And I don't think we need to do whatever... We don't need to do this. I think I'm actually doing it wrong by doing this. So we're gonna remove that. Just making sure that one more time. So now if I rotate here, yeah, it's not moving. But wait, no, now no rotation is going on. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, maybe we do need it then. Because this one is right now not doing the rotation at all. It looks so psychedelic, which is Nyasha. Yes, Nasha. Nyasha? Yeah, it looks pretty. It looks pretty, okay? We're gonna put some textures on there soon. But right now it's just fun to mess around with different colors, okay? I like it. Okay, so this one doesn't actually do anything to the rotation. This is funny. Yeah, we do need to... Yeah, let's see what does this one come up to. Two things going... while rotation seems to change position when the body spins by angular, its lighter shaped box capsule rotates to corner edges. The clipped into the planet mesh gets pushed out of the result position shifts. Also, if the shape center of mass isn't in the viewpoint, quick start temporary use sphere collider rotation and symmetric. If I do that, then I might be fucked. Wait, did I just jump? I don't know. I less than 3 psychedelics, arts, animes, games, etc. Yes, sure. But yeah, this is not applying any rotation there. Second is rotation sent correctly. The wire format is... Yes, that's fine, but there you should look at the post physics loop. You copy body position, but never copy body rotation to rotation. The physics body is spinning from angular velocity you apply, but transform rotation is only ever modified by the planet alignment code, so the client sees a planet aligned rotation that doesn't reflect what body is actually doing. What? The align query runs correctly, the up axis is da-da-da. Oops. I'm actually... It seems fine. I am sending the data over correctly, but I don't do the rotations right. I temporarily switched from side to proglang called Naya. What's Naya? Never heard of that. Naya.
Ah, yeah.
That's new. Naya? Nya. Svenska. Nya. Wow. Written in Ruby? What? Let's see. Scroll a few body pitch, your camera looks up, down, your retort, no, what? No. But body never settles, angular velocity. And, it's as the never rotates the accurate position. Right, yes, great. I mean, I guess that's actually make kind of sense. But how do people do it in normal, like, video games kind of style? I'm gonna implement it in Rust. What? Wait, what? Why should I implement in Rust? Sorry. What? Renew as Romaji. Because I'm thinking, like, if I want to do a rotation for the player, right? I kind of could just ignore, perhaps. I could just set it to the rotation. Oh, if I could do that. Small angle approximately undershoot star delta is exactly only tiny angles for rotate 6. Okay, so we also approaches target, but never quite. Actually, one is a force set. Physics should is only that's actually kind of what I meant. Lurks while sleeps. What? That kind of makes sense if you think about any game really that gets hit by something. It doesn't apply their rotation, it just applies their position, right? Or like not any game, but at least I'm thinking of Minecraft and Risk of Rain. Like physics doesn't affect the rotation; it only affects the position. Rotation.
Well, our game is a bit different, isn't it?
No, I don't want rotation to be affected. I'm not gonna be. It's always gonna be upright.
Alright,
Yeah.
well then it doesn't matter.
Yeah. It's me, chat command. That's crazy, chat command. Let's see. Enum. Allowed degree of rotations. Yes. But now this is a bit. No, that's fine actually. As long as it's. I have to check where did it do it, because if it didn't do it in the right spot, this could be problematic. DFO. Why is my neowing behaving like this? Just for you use yes there. And let's take a look, because if it did it in a wrong spot, this is only going to happen inside of transform. DOF. Here. Okay, so it doesn't update. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's see. And then body creation now uses translation only. Jolt can push the body around from gravity collision but will never spin it. Player input 4 sets the rotation each frame via body sets rotation ID. Back active. Full user control, no interpolation needed since physics isn't firing it. Since transformation rotation still updates the. Okay. Oh, where did we go? On Delta time. There, I guess. Where's the other player? Damn it! Okay. Let's see, we'll save that. This should actually. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, let's see. There. Okay, let's see if I now rotate. No, nothing yet. Haha. Nothing. Really? I thought that would have actually worked. No. But it does apply some physics at least with the, because if I look down or up you can see we jump, and that's because the actual collider will be different every time. It's maybe not what we want. But why? I feel like this should definitely, if I set rotation to the camera rotation, the thing here should actually take effect. Am I just not? Okay, wait, now we have to check in the. Because apparently that would be my only last guess, like what the fuck is going on over here. Let's see. We do have the rendering here. I do pass the transform here. To matrix. So if I just do a std log debug, we're gonna do a render. What? That's bad. Render. What? And it's gonna be an any error now. And then we're gonna provide the transform dot partial. This one still uses actually, I just realized. Now we have this here as well, I think, I hope I believe. Let's see if I do unset dot, yeah, good. Well, it's unknown anyways, but it's okay. That should now print, oops, the render quaternion. So if I go back to here, we try to keep both of these open. Great, can I have both of these? So we have the render quaternion, and if I rotate this thing, we see that nothing changes. Except if I look up or down. Which is interesting. Wait, but that's also because it doesn't change in here at all. Except if I look up or down. But that rotation is not happening due to the rotation, that's happening due to something else. Which is not funny at all that this doesn't do the thing it's supposed to do. Set rotation to camera rotation. Okay. See. Thank you. Transform. Okay, but is this? Okay. Let's see. What if I just went and said lol in this one. Might be completely bad, but did it die? Okay, now it's printing. Okay, let's see. That's
Lucas, we should play Project Zomboid sometime on stream.
Project what?
Project Zomboid.
What's Project Zomboid?
It's the only and the best zombie game ever.
That's crazy.
Yeah, bro, we gotta play it. It's like, bro, the first time you play it, it's the best. It's just downhill from them, bro. Like, you
This is
gotta
why
play
nothing
it.
happens. I need to take the position from or rotation from the physics system. Fuck. And
Everyone in the chat type 1 if you want Lucas to play Project Zomboid on stream
no, don't that one.
with me.
No, don't do that.
You know, Lucas, it's 10 months since we played Mac.
Ooh,
That's crazy.
it's almost time. Mucky, muck.
Yeah. But I mean, would it not be fire to play Project Zomboid with Lucas?
Some muck, some Counter Strike.
So, some Project Zomboid.
Oh, nah.
Nah, bro, like, the first time you play it, it's the best game ever, bro. And then it's just downhill, right? But,
Okay.
yeah. It's so fire. But Mac is also pretty fire.
It's pretty fire.
This game is basically Mac, but planets.
Am I just doing? No, that's fine. Oh, now it works. Great. Good. We still have just a little bit of funny, but if I look around here, and then if I look around on this one, and I cannot look up or down, that's fine. We don't really care. But yeah, we can walk on the planet now. Oh my days. Oh, that's great. Where am I walking? Where is there am I? Oh my god, that's so fire. Holy shit. I cannot look up or down though, which is kind of sad, but who needs to look up or down? Nah, we need to fix that. Or we can look up or down if I quickly just if I... Can I? No, I cannot. Damn it, I'm forced to align with the planet's orientation. That sucks. Yeah. Bro is still lying. Yeah, is it pushing the other player? Yeah, you can push the other player. So you can bam, 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 bam. But yeah, apparently you cannot... you cannot, what's it called? You cannot look up or down. That's a bit of a sadness. Now add clipboard. Oh god, no. Is it becoming a meme, this thing? Clipboarding stuff. Oh my days.
Perfect.
But it works. We just need to be able to... what's it called now? Be able to look up and down without changing. I don't know how to do that properly. This one applies the... Because... okay. Let's see, I want to try one thing also. If I do a reset. Yeah, every time I do a reset, this thing just dies. the reset is not happy with my reset. It's like, what the fuck are you actually trying to do? Like, just dying. I have to look into why that happens, but we're gonna look into that later. What was this? Ah, okay. If I am here, and then I'm looking this way, okay, that's fine. And then if I want to look up, I should be able to look up without any consequences. The only problem is that, yeah, we force this one always to the rotation of this thing, because we want this thing to be kind of like... Why did we do that? Didn't I just say that the... It's fine that the transform, but I should still individually... Yeah, okay, this is fine actually, in the sense of when I actually need to render stuff. But when I want to move, I should be able to move all of them. And that's funny because it comes from here on the camera rotation. Where do we update the camera rotation? That one gets this thing. Right. And that comes from here. Actually, let me just restart this one. Where did we spawn? I have no idea where the position is. Oh, there we are, yeah. Okay, so as long as you just don't press reset, I'm fine. So the reset just messes with my whole thing. I need to figure out why that is, because I feel like a reset should just put me in 0 on everything and it should be fine. But it didn't. But yeah, we do get it from here, and we get the camera. There's nothing that really updates the camera except the input. Everything else doesn't touch it, right? So that's the only place where I could mess this up. It's fine, like I think it's really good, but it's still like I would like to be able to look up in the sky and kind of shit, right? It's really good that the rotation though does work. I'm really happy about that, but that's so funny how I can. Still need to add that free camera movement, but it's an option. I'm just messing around right now. I'm fun as hell. Woo! Woo! Okay. Let's see. There is no camera rotation. This is the only thing I could think of that, because this one overrides the camera rotation before we even process it. We still need to do, but why flip cross pick any? This camera rotation align. Yes. Why? Yeah, I don't want shit. God. Yeah, physics should not apply to the thing, but I still need to, if I look up, I don't want to move the mesh, but I do want to move the camera. The camera should still be allowed to do its thing. Oh, is that the camera rotation? That may be a bit fucked, because the camera should still be independent from what Vim theme are you using? It's custom. But it's let's see, where do I have this? Where is that beam? Not even remember. Color scheme do that. Okay, here. Cat booking, and then I just have a bunch of custom stuff which doesn't work. But I'm too lazy to try to fix this right now. But yeah, I kept poking in space and then just a few custom colors. Which doesn't work. This should be like green and this should be light green, but it's not. Because I fucked up. I'm fucking crazy. Oh. It's not free movement anymore. Yeah, I think this is probably the worst thing I'm doing right now, is that I'm telling it to be the same as the camera. So first of all, that is completely wrong, because if I am here on the planet, little based, bro. Thanks. If I'm here and then I do a rotation like this, the mesh should not take this rotation. It's just the camera that takes that rotation. But then again, if I am, let's say this is from the top, I am here and then I'm looking over there and then I look over here, this rotation the mesh should take. So we cannot, this is so weird. How am I supposed to do this? Or I could also just make a local view of it, so it would just be client side, then this wouldn't really be a problem. The problem with that though is that then I make the client authoritative of this, and that would also be bad. So I cannot do that. And I would just make more problems actually. Yeah. Because then when you shoot, I need to figure out which way are you facing. I guess you could send that I'm facing this way when you shoot, but that's just dumb. Why not just let it be already on the server, and the server says you're facing this way. So we need to make that on the server. Yeah. And the only way to think of doing that is, well, I need it. How can I do this? How can I do this in a smart, beautiful way? So fast. I have a really hard time just trying to navigate. Should probably make the planet a little bit larger. You can still kind of see like it's trying to, or it is moving up and down, but it's not at the same time. It's a pretty planet that is larger. Just to mess around a bit. I'm bored. Trying to think of that. It's funny to move or funny to do shit. I do the planet anything here. Let's do a planet of 100. Let's see. Close that. Start it again. And let's see. We'll connect to the client there. Boom. And again, we're spawning. So we might actually not. Oh, we spawn on the planet still. Woo! There we are. Of course, this is gonna be pretty fire. But yeah, imagine if you could just now actually like aim, not just have to rely on this thing. And then we can spawn another client. There we spawned in. We're descending right there. Wait. Whoa, where did we go? There we are. There we are descending. Woo! Hello. New. It's free fire. I think it's free fire. But yeah, we need to be able to look freely around. that's kind of the only thing that is left to do. Because this is not ideal. It's a little bit funny, this jumps, because it's still trying to do the... Let's see. Right. Be able to look with the camera. Actually, I'm gonna do a... Because this is actually like big. Camera alignment. Alignment with shorts. Just reset this. Alright. Push. And I should also have said that LSP got fixed. Oh, kind of. I think it's actually fixed. That is great. Now we still need to be able to look with the camera around, but the trans. Let's see. I'm not gonna explain that because I would like to see if it actually fucks that up. How would it look like? If we look around. Up and down. As well. But yeah, after we get this, I think probably like some enemies spawning and that kind of stuff is the next thing to get working. You have to start working on some kind of UI as well. Not just for the game, but also like kind of debugging, because yeah. I wonder, is hot reloading slow right now because it does generate this planet every time I do a hot reload? Let's say I will go to the Vulkan. I am at the Vulkan. And I will go here and deactivate the fire flame. How slow would it be? It wasn't too slow. It actually was pretty fast. After it had compiled, of course. So... Let's see. Did it hit the conclusion? Currently the body is force set to the full camera rotation, including pitch, so the body tilts when you look up down. I'll change it to build a yaw on the rotation for the body upright relative to the planet facing the camera forward projection of the tangent. Let's see, so set velocity, yaw only body rotation upright relative to the planet facing. Action camera itself free pitch. Planet. Some crazy stuff right there. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Matrix. Okay, let's take that. So now I want to see maybe that looks SP. Where is this Matrix? So it's from Matrix creating this Hamilton.
A hemisphere?
Yes. It's some crazy map I would never be able to play. Well, never play. But, oh no, look at that. Now everything's cooked.
I'd rather have it cooked than raw.
Now it's like playing on some kind of flight simulator. Oh my god, what? Let's do a research to actually get it fresh. Oh wait, the server actually died. It's okay, we don't need to go. No, it actually keeps on dying. Yeah. Let's not do that. I don't know why it would die on that. Doesn't look to be doing anything too complicated. But actually, I just realized one thing: it's like rotation to deck. Shouldn't be any problematic in any kind of way. Just why is this problematic? It shouldn't be forward. On the planet.
James Cameron is James Cameron in the movie about James Cameron.
Now that's crazy, bro. I had no idea. Yeah, this is not it. And if I do a reset, it crashed. I don't know why. It says just server crash. It doesn't even tell me anything about why it crashed. Died, basically. It's okay. What's so funny?
You join like a YouTube live stream. AI will like summarize the chat for you. You can like whatever's happening at the moment, and it just said that the chat was arguing between Celsius and quote unquote freedom units.
Freedom units, alright.
Because of the metric system, you know, the
That's funny. Oh my god, let's go. Okay. Why? Okay. I don't know if you can explain why this would crash. Everything seems legit over here. Unless it's something kind of division by 0, but I don't think even it should be possible. Completely broke the system, I would just say. Maybe it's accessing something it shouldn't be accessing. No. Everything seems to be valid. These things that it's trying to do. Dot product maybe a bit. We should say if I try to do division by 0. I feel.
Wait, are you at your new place now?
No. On Monday I'm moving. So tomorrow.
And then how long it'll take for your internet to be hooked up?
It's just a thing that I move with, so it won't take. It will be one and plug everything in. But I will.
You can't just take your internet connection with you. You don't have a cord long enough.
No, it's wireless. I just plug in the thing and it just works. And
Oh, Starlink!
No, what?
Should have said you were using Starlink.
What? No. Okay. Hello.
Last time I checked, if I unplugged my router and brought it over to a friend's and plugged it in, it wouldn't work.
Mine does. It is completely wireless. It just doesn't go in anywhere. It's just wireless. It just plugs you in.
I don't remember me asking.
Yeah, fuck you.
Yeah, that's right.
Dude, Harold got 20 kills on Mirage.
That's crazy, bro. I have no idea what that means, but it's crazy.
That was like 1,000 years ago.
It was like yesterday.
You know exactly what that means, Lucas.
What does it mean?
Bro, you have a skin in CS, you definitely know.
Does he have skins in CS?
I do have a skin in CS.
You should trade some over to Harold. He's struggling over here with his defaults.
Nah, bro, I don't need skills.
I don't know, man. Last time you were playing, that guy was making fun of you. He's calling you a vanilla scrub.
Oh, I didn't even hear that. Well, I don't really care much for that, anyways.
I didn't hear that. Nobody said that.
Yeah, well, I didn't hear it. And you know, bro is not important enough to listen to, anyways.
It's definitely should probably wait. I'm just cooked, bro. I'm just cooked.
Fucking boost.
I know you're cooked, Lucas. I know.
Thanks.
Yeah, they call you Lucas the cooked around here.
Oh shit, bro. I had no idea.
Yeah, well, now you know.
Yeah, that's crazy, brother. I should probably make a F find or something. I need kind of like, how am I supposed to do coordinates now?
What do you mean, bro?
So people can find each other, you know what I'm saying, dog?
Coordinates?
Yeah.
Bro, what is this? Are we doxing each other now?
Yes.
Alright.
Need 3. Let's see. I'm gonna take this, yank that, put this into this thing, and let's see if we can figure it out. Then I'm thinking, like, if I have direction up Hernian's player input, I don't know. If I look, I do get the delta. This, where am I? It's actually. Here. This is where I do the rotation, right? So if
No.
yes, it is. Shut up.
Oh, tired Lucas is mean Lucas.
Yes.
Yeah, very mean. How dare he be
Yeah,
mean?
now fuck off.
Yeah, I hate
Oh.
this dude.
Oh.
I guess I could just have. I don't have to have the scale in here. I should just put it in here. But I'm thinking it has to be in here somehow. I'm just locking the axis. Rotate.
I'll rotate you.
Bro, what?
I have to wait until 6 a.m.
To
So I
rotate?
can rotate you?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
You wanna rotate?
This generation.
I'm so surprised you guys are even awake. What are you guys doing?
Gaming.
I just woke up.
Really?
So...
Yeah.
We playing some muck?
Oh god.
No, not right now.
I think I might just go to bed again soon.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
I'm good. Well, whatever you decide, I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee. Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe.
Cup of
crazy,
Joe.
bro.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, yo, bro.
All right, I'll be black.
You will be black.
Oh, hell no. Ban this guy.
For real, dog.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nah, I would prefer to not do that. Yeah.
should go for some avocado toast right now. Oh my god, that would be so freaking insane.
What are you? A vegan?
Hey, avocado toast with some lemon and what habmare. It's fucking awesome.
I think there's something wrong with you.
Looking for at your code, the camera up vector is being forced to align with the normalized position vector pointing from the origin camera. This locks the camera orientation relative to the planet. Let me search for some text about how you might want to handle camera movement. To allow free camera movement up down, you need to remove or condition disable this up vector alignment. The alignment I kind of need it still to be on the other axis, right? Remove the alignment, the entire camera rotates freely. Just delete the comment block, make it toggle, blah blah blah. Only align horizontal preserve yaw, but not pitch. This is more complex. You need to project the desired up onto the horizontal plane before calculating the rotation. Which approach is which? Well, it's not really that what I want. None of them is what I want to do. It's because I don't want free camera movement. That's wrong. Oh wait, the camera can still be free. Kind of. Yeah, free. We need the transform. So you want free camera rotation, but the transform command stay aligned to the planet, always pointing off from center. You'd remove a line. You'd remove your. This way, transform tracks from the camera line. Is that this way transform tracks the planet serves as orientation useful for object attachment while camera look up down freely. Is that yes? I didn't really refer to what the code did, but yes.
Yes.
What am I doing? I'm doing two of these now. Let's see if it's the. Wait, is it doing the... No, but that's wrong. That was what I already tried to do. Oh, that I... Oh. Already, it's wrong. You lose the capability of station along the planet. I see. You need to maintain the camera's relative pitch offsets from the transform while still allowing free movement. The key is when the transform rotates to align with the planet, the camera should rotate with it. And the initial mouse input should still work on top of that. Looking at the current code again, it already does this. Need the camera to look up and down. Right now it is restricted. What? Oops. I cannot spell for shit. There we go, and okay.
Now we just tell the viewers you like children, don't you?
Oh my fucking god. Wait. Okay, we're gonna this thing. Status. Nothing has changed. Good. That means we can just rip this thing. Let's see what it does. So it's removed. That might be. You haven't tried that. Done. Change the yaw rotation planet up vertical vector that locks you surface tangent to local up axis. Now the camera can free or look up, down, transform a line, still keeps the body. Okay, let's see if it actually did that. I cannot look up or down. I don't know what it's on about. Let's just do a breeze. I don't know. I shouldn't have to. See, there's one of these, and my look left and right are now fucked. That's completely wrong. Wrong. Did you just remove planet up? Oh yeah, that's why. It's wrong. Can rotate on the let me revert that. Yeah, you can do that. I think that's okay. That broke it completely. The issue is that in the world space, not camera, exactly. The real problem is that the alignment code in line 400 is forcing camera rotation. You always align with planet up vector, which prevents you from looking up. You need, I know, I don't need to remove that. I need that when I do the movement. You need to remove the camera from the alignment entirely. Let's see, what does it do? So camera, no, you are a potato. But I think I know how to fix this when it said that actually.
Potato.
Yeah, because we're not gonna do this. But we do need it, fuck. We do need it because when we do the calculations for camera... fuck. How should I do this? Because I do need it, but I kinda don't need it. Because this track is hard. But this is just gonna fuck everything up if I don't do it. Why does everything still... It's something, it's not just okay, it actually builds it. What? I have too big of a planet to even figure out where I'm at. No. There we are. That's weird. Why does this work if I just remove this completely? Oh wait, this is... this was the thing, yeah, okay. But this is going to fuck it up. I mean, we can now, yeah, we can do this, but now you can start to see that the rotation is just completely fucked. Unless if I manually put myself in the right rotation. And that's not something we want to keep that. But what I was thinking, we can still do this. Oops. Like this. We can still do this. So we have the right this thing, but we shouldn't do it. Let's see, this happens inside the update. Player input. Their camera up. Wait. Here a query for the transform of the camera. This is why. Okay, I see. I'm gonna take this away from him. I'm not gonna do it in here. Like so. And then we're gonna go into. How does this work now when I don't even have this? I don't know why it's even working. Something it shouldn't even be compiled. That's why. Anyways, we're gonna have it somewhere over here. And then we're gonna calculate it so we can use it for the
Calc for calculator? Okay.
calculate. Let's see. Yeah, now rotation is fine. We basically have a free camera movement. So, yeah, basically. Oh, that was easy. Yeah, except that we cannot. That's funny. Where's the other layers? I really need that free camera to just toggle and walk around and stuff. I know it's shits, but there they are. Okay, good. Then we're gonna go into here, and what we're gonna do in here is that we get all of this. We want to be able to use the camera rotation. Basically in here, if that doesn't happen, we don't really care about this, honestly. And we already queried for the transform and the components. We can reuse this information in there. So if we press something, then I care about this. I'm not gonna care about it otherwise either way. So, but and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of that. We already got the transform and we got the camera, so we don't care about that either. And then line query, we don't care about that. And now we're gonna do this. And then in here, thank you. This will have to do for, gonna call it camera rotation. And in here, I'm just gonna say var camera underscore rotation is equal to just we can take it is equal to camera dot rotation. Round. Simple as that. And then we can just change this camera rotation like so. And that's the rotation. Yeah, rotation. Rotation. Oh my god. Right, rotate. Okay, I'm just gonna read rotation. It's equal to that. And then we can just do this, and then when we do these things, we can yank it from here. And we're gonna take yes, and that, paste it there. So we're gonna be using these things for camera rotation. Now with camera rotation here in place, this is what we will update this rotation to. But otherwise we'll just have our free own. What? It's right from here. Camera rotation. It is still in the same scope. I don't know why it says that it's unrecognized. It's lying. What? It's in the same scope. Use unclear identifier camera rotation. What the hell? Oh no, it's not in the same scope. It's not. I'm gonna do this. So, let's see. Okay, now I cannot rotate at all. Let's build again. Okay, build. I cannot rotate at all. No, that's not good. It shouldn't do anything different from what it has already done before. Let's see. Transform is okay. Transform. Then it should just be using. Let's. No, there shouldn't be anything different. I just want to use the camera rotation. That's literally just taking the same thing as it always has to be doing. I don't understand why it would be problematic now. Yeah, I cannot rotate at all. What? That's not good. Why not? It should be able to go in here, see the... and then put it to this thing. And this should only change... Wait, where is the... Where am I doing the... Did I remove something? I think I removed something. Where did it go? Actually did remove something I should not have removed. What the fuck? Where did it go? It should be in here, but I don't see it. Oh no. Oh no. It happens. Okay. It's okay. We can still access it. We're gonna go here into client. No, not client, it's the server. Yeah, it feels like it should be the client that does this, but it's the server that validates it. Physics. And the thing I'm trying to find is this thing. How did I mouse right sensitivity? How did I get rid of that by accident? Oh wait, no, it's there. No, not. I'm just used to seeing it beginning at the top over here, but it's not there anymore. Okay, but then it should be valid. I don't understand why it's not. Wait, I am printing though a lot of notations right now. So, does it? Okay, let's main. We're not gonna do this. I'm going to start one. Then I'm gonna start this one. Now if I try to rotate here, okay, it's being reset back to 0 every loop. So I'm actually trying to do a rotation here, but I'm just resetting it. Okay. And that is because when I receive camera rotation, I have no idea. I get this, and then in here I set it to this, but if I do a change to this thing, it should affect it immediately. Let's camera. Make sure that everything that has to do with camera is using the right camera. Get the camera here, we just get the camera once, and then from here on out I use this camera to manipulate. Aha. That should still be the same thing because it should. Let's see, camera. this one just resets that thing, it's fine. But still, it's interesting. It temporarily we sent one that actually got its rotation. The rest of them are just reset back to 0. It's like I'm not pressing R. But why would it then? Transform rotation, camera rotation. Because I don't wanna. Oh, but I never update. Right. We can't. Okay, wait, because this still. Okay, this still has to happen in the old kind of way of doing things, which we used to over here. This one was free movement. And this is what I would like to actually update the camera rotation to. Yes. Let's just take a quick look. So this is world up. This can still be the whatever up we got right now. It's fine. So they can still remain the same. And let's just go to here. Let it be the same like so. Then I did a yaw. What? Multiply by camera rotation. Camera rotation normalized. Pitch. This is the same, I would assume. Yes. And then camera rotation multiply. Yeah. I think this we can do, and that should. That would be the same anyways. You can do that. Okay. Let's see. Now I still have this problem. Oh man. It's like close to being alright, but not really. Because I need to do this thing, but this thing is the thing that locks it. I need it so it doesn't fuck it. Ah! Because I don't want to be making this rotation should happen all the time. Oh god. Okay, wait. Maybe there's a smart way. Let's see. I get the camera rotation. Wait, but how did it? No, yeah, because I made it equal to this thing. So how the fuck did it even work? Normalized. Let's transform that I don't want to do. Yeah, now this is nice because now it allows me to look up and down, but we still have the problem that it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It's actually, I think it will be accurate if you look on all of the. Let's see, can I find where's the other player? Wait, this one doesn't rotate at all. Wait, it does rotate. I don't know what's going on. Let's just try to find each other. What the fuck just happened? Let's see, where are we? There we are. So this one can now. Oh, that one should not be able to do that. That's funny. But yeah, we can look up and down, but apparently the up and down also works on the mesh, which is not what we want. Which rotation did it take? That shouldn't even happen. What? Okay, no, it shouldn't. It shouldn't even happen. It should take the camera rotation, this camera rotation, and that one is not even. Unless if they are the same. They shouldn't even be the same. Well, I use reference. No, Still though, I don't know. No, I should take my value away with me. That's why I did this thing, because otherwise it would make sense. But now it shouldn't make sense. They should be completely independent from one another. If I look up here, this one should only look to the left and right. Funny. Really funny. Shit. Yeah, we don't want the mesh to move. I do want the free movement though, but I don't want the mesh. No. Why? Why is this? Maybe if I did it a slightly different way. No, cannot.
Man, it's late. What the hell is this?
What if I change it so instead of changing, you can.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep, bro.
Alright. I think I'll
Go to sleep.
Yeah.
Go
another
to
round.
sleep.
How is it 3 a.m.?
Alright.
Go to sleep.
Wait, 5 more minutes.
No, we gotta play one more round Counter Strike.
Harold, let's.
Bye-bye.
Harold. 5 minutes.
Yes.
5 minutes.
No.
5
Harold, like 5 more minutes and then like another 20 for Counter Strike.
No, bro, I'm going off now. So,
Good night, Harold. See ya.
alright, good night.
I was thinking, what if I change it so that only
were
when you
thinking
move,
too?
it rotates the thing towards that position. So if you rotate, you can still apply the rotation to you, but only on movement it would rotate the player towards. I don't like that idea. That would be so bad. Because then you could. I would like people to still be able to. Well, I guess I could make a movement out of.
New movement tech?
Movement tech?
New movement tech, eh? Damn.
Brother. But I think a trigger on the update to go towards the rotation. Maybe that would be better. Let's see. If I am, let's say we're gonna take a top-down view. Let's say I'm here. Because this is starting to be hell of weird. But here I do the physics update and the rotation. What if I... I have no idea where it's facing though, because I cannot change the rotation in any other place. I'm not really have a good time right now. Well, it is progress nevertheless. It is. It's really good progress. We actually can be able to walk on the planet, but I would still be able to rotate freely and independently.
That sounds pretty badass, actually.
Yeah. Let's see.
Damn, that sounds kind of badass.
Player controller. Free.
Wait, did you say rotate freely?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that'd be kind of cool, dude.
Orient. Let's see. Orient character to rotation code enables free cameras. Oh, what? To achieve free camera rotation independent of mesh rotation in Unreal Engine, you must disable the use control rotation setting on the. Yeah, exactly. I just wonder how these things are accomplished. Let's see, I can do this. How are these things accomplished? I need engine 1. engine. Highway. I have a camera that can look freely around, but if I look to the left, the body should follow. If I look up, should not. Weird. You're basically trying to separate where the player is looking camera from where the character is facing the body, and the selective sync then. Unreal hides this behind its checkbox, but Unreal just clean math and state control. Here the reality, there's no magic, so you implement this splitting the rotation into yaw and pitch and treating them differently. Yaw rotates the body camera, pitch rotates the camera only. Roll usually ignored. If you don't separate these, you get the weird character behind bending backward effect. Update. Okay, but this one is working with you Oilers and assuming that it's just a flat surface.
Euler?
Rotation. Would you be able to look at Rayliv's 3D camera? Do they have something like that? Rayliv. Rayliv. I think they also are working on that field. I'm not sure if they have it on a. Nice. So cooked. Ugh. But I mean, it's actually getting. When the XQC collab. Brother, maybe one day if this game actually gets to the point where it's released and people can connect and play, and then I get to the point because of hot reloading, I could have the guy playing and he could say like more shit, and I'm like, alright, and then there's more shit in it.
I hear that.
But until then, we'll just keep on working. Let's see. Yeah, that's great. Right now, I work with quaternions and on a planet, so the up is always changing. I use Arch Linux, by the way. It's interesting because you're in setup, you can circle worlds where naive if logic breaks. The key correction, you cannot use fixed world up anymore. Your up is dynamic, derived from planet and the player position. Anchor everything to that. Your camera will slowest, twist or drift. Up, normalize player position. Yeah, but I always just take player position because planet is always in the center. The right perpendicular to up. Perpendicular to forward, perpendicular to both. Okay. So your entire orientation lives in a local tangent frame, not a world axis. Compute dynamic up. Take it up and then what from axis align up. Yeah, well, you must rotate around this vector, not a global. Yeah, but where the fuck did you get the yaw from? Right axis. Depending on your current yaw orientation, rotate your quaternion face forward, AG. Right, normalize and apply pitch around local. Right. Final camera rotation or order matter. This is where, but yeah, wait. Body rotation, you are only aligned to planet. You want body upright on planet, body forward. Rebuild stable orthography basic body. Blah, blah, blah. But that was what I was trying to do here. I didn't get it though, because I was like, right now I feel like I'm doing this camera orientation should be with whatever happens, and then this should be a separate calculation for the camera, but yet it applies it both to the camera and the mesh, and then the camera also gets fucked somehow. Let's see. That is what like. You were close, but you were mixing coordinate space and effectively applying the rotation twice. That's why. No, because they're separate. They are separate. I have a pitch axis is hard coded. World space axis. On a planet this breaks. I'm not writing code. What the fuck is this? Go away. Because right is not fixed. You're applying. What? That's not. No. Wait. Applying rotation twice, camera. Yeah, but that's so I can use it later on. I do this, I take the camera, multiply it by this, and then I use it here with the pitch. Like, and then again. But now this is a separate one. Double application current. No. It's okay. These are two separate variables. So that I can use one for the actual mesh and the other. Even if they're separate, you're still applying the same flawed logic twice. No, what? No, I'm not. Am I? This one uses the camera rotation. Okay, this one is just normalized. Okay, actually, yeah, what the fuck? But how do I get it? Yeah, wait, that's okay. Wait, I didn't want to do this. That was the thing. Still though. Why? Oh yeah, no wait. No wait, now it's the other way around. Now it's like applying the rotation. It's reversed. What? No. Oh my god, the logic. No, what? Oh my god. Okay, under. So it's this. Huh? No wait, but now I can only look up and down. That's fantastic. Okay, let's see. And it still takes the up and down. Oh my god. So it is this. It should be this way. But that thing just breaks. So you should save that. Because right now, okay, I can look and I don't know if I can. No, what the fuck is going on? Jesus Christ. It's not tied to your camera or planet. Or being a global axis which nonsense soon as you move what you intend versus happening with mesh flows. Yaw pitch camera has mesh flows, yaw. In reality both are using broken pitches. No, it's not. No. The code works. It does. The only problem is that locked with the camera. It cannot up or down. Maintain yaw separately, you all kind of do this. What's this? Let's see. Okay. Maintain yaw separately, you already kind of do this mentally. What? Will a flat forward ignore cage? Choose right from that. Why this just fixes it? The pitch axis no longer depend on previous, no need. I'm too tired. New show. It's still loading. Okay, I'm not gonna push. This is completely wrong, that's sure. Transform position. So current up. It's just that. Then your quaternion. That thing. Yeah, that's the same. And then forward flat. Let's see, do I have a desired up? No, I don't have this. A forward flat. Let's get a. I will put it in here. Right then. Why would it looking straight down? Interesting. I'm actually just tired for this right now. Then normalize it, sure. I'm gonna identify your. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this later now. And then I cannot reduce right, so we're gonna do this one to right 2, simple as that. Final camera rotation, pitch. Pitch, then we have to wait to get this. And like rotate. What is it actually supposed to do? This vector rotate forward flat. Vector rotate quaternion. I have no idea what it's supposed to do. What the fuck? Your rotate function was wrong. Convention left versus right. There is no such thing, so I don't know what it's talking about. Body rotation, you only keeps character upright on planet. I think I'm too tired for this. 3 a.m. Alright? Oh, it's 4 a.m. Oh my god.
Dude, I do that all the time, man. Stay up late. Codulate.
Codulate, yes, very much. I think I will just wait. What is the rotate and set? I don't know this. That's some crazy ass stuff there. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in here, and I will just undo everything. It's gonna be an end set, quad, 2, and this is just gonna be an end set, 3, 2, and this is also just gonna be that. It's very hard coded, but it's just to get it. Oh my god! See that I can get it for M32, and then it's weird, and then I'm gonna go here, and we can also see here I fucked it up. So, and then we can go in here. I don't think this is the way you're supposed to do it. Can you look at that cross play? Okay, rotate vector 3. Mix scalar vector operand. Yes. And set back. Scale. Too tired. It's too tired. It's too tired. I got nothing. Please. Okay. Expected to found one. Scale. Alright, I need to provide. It's the scale. Wait. The scale after. Any type. No, the scale first. 2. Like so. Well, I don't think it's any better at all. Did I save? I hope I did. Spilled. No, I did not. Note operator must be array, slice, tuple. Yeah, I probably have that wrong then. But we not get any errors in here then. That's funny. It just says that, yep, that's fine. It's not fine. And let's see, then we'll go back to here, go to reference, and we'll take it. Oh, it's not there. Well, it's here. Hello, coding student. Okay. I don't know why it's not just telling me that there's a problem. Let's see. Mix scalar, yep, I cannot. What's the idea here? Okay, so it's supposed to be a return of. So this is like the whole thing that is supposed to. T is a actual thing. These are... What's the logic here? How do you learn to code fast? Say I have 4 hours to learn. What do I do for web dev? Just code web dev. You will figure out the answers by just trying it out, honestly. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. It's 4 a.m. Just program, honestly. That's it. You get faster by that. You'll learn like what do you need to do in order to become better and more effective, and what makes sense and what not. Doesn't really matter what you're trying to learn anyways, but programming especially is just find something cool you want to program it. That's it. I don't really want to do something with math, but I kind of have to right now, and that's why it's... well, probably shouldn't do it while I'm cooked. I'm cooked, not on anything, but I'm like tired. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this is right now really interesting because this is a vector. This is a scalar. This is a vector as well. Yes. And then it's trying to do... Okay, so it's trying to do this and then it's trying to do a cross. Okay, so it's just this that needs to be a... That's it. Vector scale. I'm gonna take in... Again, it's the wrong way. Okay, that seems to have loaded the thing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, good. Now, oops. Okay. I cannot rotate at all. That's fantastic. I'm just like force stuck on this, and the camera doesn't rotate at all. I think it's just a git stash. I don't know. I need to find something that actually does this. I can figure out. Let's just git stash like so. Now it's just we don't care. It's still like a lot better than it used to be. It's still just do though, because we kind of would like to be able to rotate and look up and down and not being forced to whatever we are forced to right now. I don't know how to do this properly. Yet. But I think I will go sleep now. It's 4:15 a.m.
Sleepy time.
It's
Go to sleep.
to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Yes. We'll figure this out some other time. It's still a good progress. Alright, good night everyone. See ya later today, I hope. Bye.